Imagine this, you're launching a Facebook ad campaign. Everything is on track. You set up analytics, you set up events, budget, creatives, everything looks great. Okay, then, for example, the week goes by. You open Ads Manager and you see 170 conversions, for example. Looks great. Then you check GA4, 110 conversions or 100, and your CRM, for example, just 70. What's going on? Where's the truth? You ask me, and who actually brought the customer? My name is Alex Ignatenko. I'm data-driven marketing evangelist, and I write a post a lot about marketing product analytics. And in this video, we'll break down where these discrepancies come from and what you can actually do about them. If you want to delve deeper into some topics of marketing and product analytics, you can read all my posts. You can follow the link below the video and download, get access to all my LinkedIn posts for the last year. You can get a lot of data, a lot of insights about how to work with marketing and product analytics. So, discrepancies in the total amount of conversions in different systems. Let's kick in. So you might be surprised, but at least 90% of attribution mismatches boil down to only 5 reasons, and every one of them can be fixed. And today we'll go through each of them. And once you understand the logic, I bet you'll spot all the issues in only 10 minutes instead of losing sleep for the whole week. And the reason number one is different counting principles. What do I mean by different counting principles? Your CRM tracks actual payments. It is the source of truth, real money. But advertising platforms not. They rely on events. Sometimes the events are missing, even if a purchase happened, or worse, the event is there but the deal or purchase isn't. Why? Because of ad blockers, cookie rejections, or broken tracking. The system just never found out the purchase occurred. And the first and the main reasons of data discrepancies between different platforms. The second reason is attribution windows or different attribution windows. An attribution windows defines how long a platform can claim a credit for conversions. Meta usually uses 7 days post click, 1 day post view. Google can go up to 90 days. CRM lost just the transaction no matter when it happened, and the result is one platform counts it, another doesn't, even though it is the same person or the same event. And different attribution matter. Different attribution windows, matter, and they always make sense for different platforms. Okay, reason number three, user consent or consent mode. I bet you know what I'm talking about. No cookie consent, Meta gets no data. End of story. Google might model it. It is a different systems, different logic, and different tolerance level. That's where the gaps creep in. It is one of the most, I guess, popular reasons for data discrepancies between, for example, Meta, your CRM, or Google Ads. Okay, reason number four, platform styles. What do I mean? Meta doesn't know, for example, the user saw a banner on Google first. Google doesn't know there was Instagram activity like share or something like that. Each platform operates in its own universe, so they all show different pictures, and technically they're all right, unfortunately. And platform silos and different platform logic, it is one of the most, I don't know, crucial issues for getting different data from each platform. The last but not least, it is reasons I call platform incentives. What do I mean? Meta and Google are businesses, are public companies. Their job is to show you that they deliver the value. The more conversions they claim, the more important they seem, especially post view. For example, someone sees a banner, boom, conversion, even if that view did absolutely nothing. And unfortunately, that's how the world works in capitalism because each platform has a lot of incentives to show as much value as they could or as they can. Okay, and now we can go to the next part, what you can actually do with all these cows. And the first part, it's really important, the first thing you should do or you can do is accept the cows. uh, yeah, what do I mean? Accept the chaos. Data discrepancies are normal. This isn't a bug, it's how modern marketing analytics works. Different platforms measure in different ways. You don't need just one number to rule them all, but you need to know why they differ. Again, just accept the chaos and understand that discrepancies between the data, it is okay. They are normal. The second step you can do is separate optimization from decision making. Different tools serve different purposes. For example, ads platforms for optimization, CRM and BI for decision making. Don't use media reports to run your business, otherwise you'll get a shiny rose and an empty bank account. It's really, really dangerous. Again, try to separate optimization from your decision making. Instead of tracking, always try to track all click IDs you have or you could have. And it is really important because click ID is some sort of your best friend. Store the click ID from the ad platform with the order or with the user record. Then you know where the customer came from, at least. And it's really simple, it's powerful, and it's what lets you build a distribution that actually works. Track click ID is really, really valuable information about your customer, about your purchases, about your user's e-commerce journey. And the last step you can do is build your own system. What do I mean? Combine CRM and analytics and click IDs. Maybe it's a BI tool. Maybe it's some sort of custom attribution model. The key is don't blindly trust Meta or Google. Build your own view using your logic on your data. That's really important. Now, the time for final thoughts. Firstly, you should know discrepancies aren't the enemy. Not knowing where they come from, that's the real danger. So, firstly, accept the chaos. Secondly, separate functions. Separate systems for different logic, for different purpose, different systems for different report. Thirdly, track click IDs. And finally, build your own system, the system you could trust, system on your own data. That's it for today. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask me via the comment section. For example, subscribe to me on YouTube, LinkedIn, on different sources. Let's chat, let's collaborate, let's build our own system for tracking our marketing contribution. Thank you very much.